All right, what rule for the first one? Very good. The product rule, product rule, which means you're going to add them, right? So this is 4 to the 6, and that's it. All right. What rule? Power rule. Very good. Which power over power? Which means you're going to multiply, but then I cannot leave that negative. Very good. So 1 over 5, 6. And we're going to leave it like that. I mean, you can simplify, you can evaluate and get the actual number with the calculator, but we're not going to do that. All right. Yeah, it is. Well, the calculator will do it, but it's a big number. Ugh. All right. Quotient rule. Very good. Which means you got to subtract and keep it numerator or denominator? Denominator. So 1 over 5 to the what power? Third power. All right. Distribute the 3 power over power. 3 to the third divided by 7 to the third, and that's it. Just leave it like that. I just want to apply the rules. That's all. All right. Actually, I would move that to the top and get rid of the negative, right? Yay? And then now I can do the product rule, which means I have to add the exponent. So that would be 2 to the what? To the 11th. All right. What's my exponent over here? All right. So this is negative 9 to what power? 3. I got 3 over here and 1 more over there. So to the what? To the 4th. Very good. Yay? All right. A to the what? You add them. A to the 9th. What do you do with the exponent? You multiply them. Very good. You distribute, which is multiplication, right? All right. So 5 times 2, 10. Distribute or multiply, right? 4 to the 5th. A, 10. And B? All right. Let's figure out what 4 to the 5th is. 10. I got 1024. Yes? Now on the test, you might have it like this or like that. So if you cannot find your 4 to the 5th, don't panic. Just solve it in the calculator and then find your number, right? All right. Subtract. Very good. Quotient rule. So x to the 2nd, right? Very good. Quotient rule. But where do you put it? Numerator or denominator? Denominator. So 1 over x to the 3rd. Oh my God, this one's so easy. X to the 0, which equals what? 1. There you go, because 6 minus 6 is what? 0. And any base to the 0 is always 1. We did it on the little David star yesterday, right? All right. What do we do over here? Actually, you know what I can do? I can go ahead and divide the 4 divided. What is 4 divided by 2? 2. Let's go ahead and do that. And now, I am going to distribute. It's a lot easier to distribute to 1 than it is to distribute to 2, right? Eric, can you see? Are you good? Do you need to move up? Can you, just for today, because you can't see. Do you need me to turn on the lights on the back, or is it just that you, oh, you don't have your glasses today. Okay. Gabriel. Hey, Michelle, be nice. Huh? Oh, you can sit on the floor. You wanna? Is that cool? You sure? Okay. You can get my chair. Are you sure? All right. So, 2 to the what? A to the what? B to the 8. You guys can understand this so much better than the other group. Than the other group. I'm sorry, other babies. I apologized to you the other day when I messed up. All right, what's 2 to the... What is 2 to the second power? 4. Because I'm teaching. Because I'm teaching. All right, so moving on. All right. I got to distribute, right? So 3 times 5. And 2 times 5. 10. Let's see what 2 to the 15 power is. Oh my God, that's going to be huge. 32,700 and... All right. Shh. Hey, focus. All right, what do I do now? No. Oh, look. Isn't the purpose of moving it down to get rid of the negative? And there goes Miss Marine and leaves the darn negative. Para mí. All right, so 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Hey, focus, 12. And 7 times 3, 21. All right. Stop. Stop talking. All right, so we're going to put everything at the top. Yay? So that I can get rid of those negatives. Yes, now we can add them. 11 and 3. And 10 and 1. 11. Ooh, I love this. Because that's what? 1, so you can trash it, right? All right, so you got a negative 3, and then the only thing that I need to do is take that and put it where? At the bottom. All right. So, uh-oh. For those of you that are still having trouble simplifying, just have the calculator do it for you, right? And then it's a 1 at the top and a 4 at the bottom. But I really don't have to write that 1 at the top. Yes? All right, so I do know that I have a 4 at the bottom. All right, subtract, right? So 3 minus 2 would be 1. What do I have to do with that one? No. Move it to the top. And then 9 and 2? All right, so my answer is X, Y, 11 over 4. Yay? All right. No. Before we subtract, what are we going to do? Move it to the top. And then I can add. X to the 7. All right, this is what? 1, so trash it. What do I have to do with the 5 and the 4? Subtract. So that will be X. Very good. And then Y to the second. Oh, I love this. I love those zeros. This is 1. I love those zeros. Okay, what do I have to do with that one? Get rid of that negative. Get rid of that negative. So 1 over 10 x5 y3, and then that's a positive 3, right? With me? All right, now we got to distribute. So that would be 1 over, what's 10 to the third? No, 10 to the third is not 60. 1,000. And you got 3 zeros. That number tells you how many zeros you got, and it's 3 of them. So that will be 1,000. 5 times 3, and 3 times 3, 9. And there you go. All right, what number was that one? Number 22. Yay? All right, 23. What's the first thing that you will probably need to do? Very good. So that one to the bottom, this one to the top. So y times y2, and then x times x. Because I really don't need to put that negative 1, do I? And then what do I do with the exponents now? Add them. Very good, Rolando. I add them. Very good. So that would be y to the third, and then x to the second. All right, what do I have to do now? Get rid of that. All right, next rule. Very good, which means you got to multiply. So what's 4 to the second? 16. 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 2, 10. You're done. Yay? All right. What do you got to do with that guy? Move it up. Very good. Move it up. So that is 2x squared, y and y. And at the bottom is 6 and x. 2, 6 can be simplified to what? 1/3. Very good. And then y and y? That's, well, y squared, not 2y, right? And then this 2. What do you have to do between those two exponents? Subtract. So 2 minus 1, and you keep it at the top. Yay? 2, 6 is 1/3. You don't need that 1, right? We move that y to the top to get rid of the negative, and y times y is 2 y's, right? How many do you see? 2. Yay? All right, 26. Most definitely. Just that one. So x, y, 9, y2 over 3 times negative 7y, 21, x5. Yes? Cornelius? All right, let's go. Shh. What do we need to do to those? And that one. Because we're going to multiply, right? How do you multiply fractions? Numerator by numerator, and denominator by denominator. So this would be negative 7x, correct? 9, 11, and 12, right? 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, what's 3 times 61? Times 21. 63. And then x to the 5th. What do I do with those two? Add them? All right. Divide? All right, let's simplify the fraction first. All right. So the fraction simplified would be negative 1 over 9. Now, we don't need the negative 1, right? Eyes on me. We do need the negative. I'm sorry. We don't need the 1. With me or not? All right. What do we do to those two? Subtract and you keep it where? Very good. So what's 5 minus 1? 4. And then at the top you have y to the 12. Because there's doesn't have a partner, right? Yay? All right. 27. All right. 12 times 7? 84. That one and that one? Those two? Okay, what do we do with the exponents? Okay, then tell me. And then the y's? Y to the third. All right, 7 times 4? 28. And then there's nothing that we can add, right? So x to the 4 and y. Now we can simplify 84 and 28. That would be 3. And then these two? Subtract. And then these two? 2 at the top. Yay? Alrighty, awesome. Alright. We're not doing 1. We're not doing 4. We're not doing 8. And we're not doing 9. I bet I can. All right, let's do let's do this one. What do you do with the exponents? All right, so 3 and 2, 5. What do you do with the exponents? Multiply them, so that will be 5, or distribute. 3 times 4, 12. What do we need to get rid of here? The negative. So 1 over 4 to the second. What's 4 to the 0? 1. Exponents. Subtract. So 5 to the 4. What do we do with the exponents? Add them. So b to the 9. What do we do? So 4 times 5, 20. What do we do over here? All right, so a to what? And b to the? There you go. I love it. Well, this one is easy. All right, what do we do now? Move it to the top. So this is b to the second. B to the 0. 1. What do you do? Subtract b to the what? Yes, on top. Very good. Distribute b to the what? And a to the? And that's it. All right. 3 times negative 5. X squared and x3. Very good. And y4. Y5. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. All right. Yay? All right, we're going to distribute first. So that one I'm going to keep exactly the same. What is 2 to the second power? 4. X to what? Second. Y to the 4. What's 3 to the second? Ah! Oh my God! That's 9. Chancla. That's 9. X to the what? And y to the second. All right. Ooh, what do I have to do with that negative? It's right there. All right. Shh. What's 24 times 4? Stop talking and pay attention, babies. What's 24 times 4? 36? 96. All right. 5, 7, and 9. Very good. Y to the what? To the 8. What's 3 times 9? Who's talking in the back of the room? Please stop. All right, what's 3 times 9? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. So, what is this one? Y to the third. Very good. And x to the second. All right, let's see. 97 divided by 27. 96 divided by 27. Uh-oh. Let's change it to a fraction. So 32. Bye, baby. 32 over 9. Shh. Subtract at the top, right? So x to the 7th. Y to the what? To the 5th. Very good. We're good? All right.